for News and Bay Rivers, Pamlico Sound, south of Cape Lookout, North Carolina to Surf City, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blount's Bay to 16 nautical miles west of the vicinity of Trent River, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the vicinity of Slocum Creek, the vicinity of Hancock Creek, the vicinity of Clubfoot Creek, Oriental, midpoint of Cherry Branch, Minnesota Beach Ferry Terminal, the mouth of the News River, the vicinity of Adams Creek, the vicinity of Trent River, and the vicinity of South River. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
All the while trying to prevent a bubblegum bottleneck. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds.
You're over 7